Let's talk numbers. Mr. Rajan Nanda, Chairman and Managing Director of Escorts, joins us live from New Delhi to talk about how the quarter has gone for his company. Mr. Nanda, good morning. Thank you for joining us. Mr. Nanda, what you've reported for the quarter gone by are impressive set of numbers. Margins have expanded, sales are up and profits are up 132%. Are these numbers here to stay? Has the business momentum revived?
Momentum is building because strategically, we were planning a growth of our market share and our business volumes in the market linked to our introduction of new products, which are just beginning to get there. But strategically, we are working on reducing our fixed costs, increasing our working margins, as is evident that our margins have grown. And I want to state that these results that we are giving is 12 months on which we already have declared an interim dividend to the shareholders. But in line with the policy of the new, of the Government of Company Act, we have to change our financial year from September ending to March ending. So with the extension of our financial year by 6 months, we'd have an 18 months financial year this time, and then fall in line with an annual of March, April. So we have reduced our materials costs, we've reduced our fixed costs, and we've improved our working margins.
Mr. Nanda, hi, morning. You've mentioned in your press release that you've tied up with Ferrari for launching specialty tractors for vineyard and orchards. Tell us a little bit more about this.
Well, Ferrari is a special tractor which is different from standard tractors. It has got its engine in the center, and it's very well balanced in terms of its center of gravity, and it's used more for inter-row and orchard and vineyard applications. And that is the Maharashtra area of Nasik. And we first brought in, the price was considered too high by the farmers. We subsequently corrected that price and imported a few units, and they've been totally consumed. Now we're making an assessment of what will be the demand for orchards and vineyards, but it indicates that the farmers are so pleased with the product and so excited with the new spec and the type of design that this could go to even the orchard applications. So this is at early stages. We do not know what volumes will mature, but I wouldn't like to stake a guess on it.
So when can we expect you to post double-digit margins?
Not very far away, because if you look at we are earning right now a good level of 6.8. We will cross 10 in the next 8-9 months.
Mr. Nanda, markets keep on speculating about the land bank Escorts is sitting on. So what is the company's intention on monetizing the non-core land bank?
No plans. We are well located. We are operating our business, earning our revenues, building up corporate strategies on this land. It has become very valuable. We can't help it if Faridabad has become the second largest city of Haryana. So land prices have grown along with the evolution of the city. But if we want to relocate, that is something that we'll strategically look at, but we have not decided anything on it. It's very invaluable.
Right, so there are no banks of surplus land bank which you want to monetize?
No, we on the contrary are building our strategies of outsourcing as much as we can, so we can handle much higher volumes than originally programmed. So we can go up to 100% of our present capacity, or more than 100%, on keeping the same land.
Mr. Nanda, really appreciate you taking the time out and speaking with us. That's the trajectory from Escorts. Good numbers. Stock though is currently lying quiet in trade, but the rest of the market is now. We are sitting at a fresh 2013 high.